Hello family, how are you doing today? This is Beverly Black. So welcome, come on in the kitchen with me while we make this sweet potato casserole. Today we're going to be making Ruth Chris sweet potato casserole. So stay so you can learn how to make it. Love you. The ingredients for this casserole is 4 sweet potatoes or 3 cups. I have already baked the sweet potato and got them out of the peel, and they're in the mixer getting ready to be mixed. So you can either bake them in the oven, the microwave, or you can boil them, however you want to do. But it's 3 cups, so I'm using 4 regular size, not very big sweet potatoes. You will need 2 eggs beat up, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can use a 9x13 dish or whatever size dish you 1.5 quart, whatever size you want to use. And make sure you spray your dish with some spray so the casserole won't stick. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So we're getting ready now to start the process of mixing it. I'm going to mix the potatoes a little bit on low. I'm going to turn it up just a tad. And then I will add all the other ingredients. Okay, I'm going to add this is the butter, I'm sorry. The 1 stick of butter, the 2 eggs that are beaten up, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and mix that all together. Make sure you mix it until it's very smooth, souffle-like style. So it is ready, and we're going to put it in the dish. And the oven is already preheated at 350 degrees. And while this is in the oven, we're going to make our topping to go on top of it. And we're going to bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until you insert a toothpick like a cake and it comes out clean. It's done. So here it is. And we'll put this in the oven. Now we're going to make that good topping. And what you will need, and I forgot to tell you, for the souffle or the yam mixture, you need a cup of sugar. I don't know how I forgot that, but I did. But the recipe will be down below in my description. So you need 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1/3 stick of butter melted, 1/3 cup of flour, and 1 cup of nuts. I'm using pecans. You can use walnuts or whatever nut you want to use. And you just mix this up together. And this will be the topping that goes on top. Oh, look at there. Okay. So when the yam mixture gets done, we will put this all on top. You see? I'm gonna set this aside, and that will be the topping. We'll bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then take it out and put the topping on it and bake it again for 10 minutes. Okay, I've gotten the sweet potatoes out of the oven and getting ready to put the topping on. And the topping will bake for about 10 minutes. I don't know how in the world I forgot to tell you about the sugar. That's been bothering me ever since. But anyway, another one of them senior moments. I put it in there. So you know now. So here is the topping. Look at it. I'm going to use my hands. My hands are clean. Clean, clean, clean. And we're going to drizzle it all over the top. I'm going to put it on and I'll be right back. So here it is with the topping on it. I'm going to put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. We'll be back. The sweet potato casserole is out of the oven and oh, it smells so good in here. I would love to take a bite of it, but this is for a birthday party this evening and I can't dip into it. But I want you to check it out. Look at that goodness. Oh my. But this is the Ruth Chris sweet potato casserole recipe. Thank you everyone who came by today. I appreciate it. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are His masterpiece. Be blessed, everyone.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous.